Nothando Ngcobo is a South African actress best known for her portrayal of Hlelo in Uzalo drama series that airs on SABC1 from Monday to Friday at 8:30 p.m. However, there is more to her and her success. She is a living proof that perseverance, effort, and patience pays off in this life. Ngcobo experienced a lot of harassment and rejection at the beginning of her career. Her biography that we're about to share with you takes a deep dive into her life and unpacks some unknown facts about her. She was born on the 1st of November in 1994 in Hammersdale, also known as Mpumalanga, in the KZN province in South Africa. In 2014, she relocated to Johannesburg to pursue her studies and career. She received acting training from the Market Theatre in Johannesburg and completed her studies in 2017. Her religious views are of Christianity, and she always thanks God whenever she reaches a milestone. Her debut on films came when she featured on a film called The Swallow Falls On in 2017. The film was shot while she was still doing her theatre training, and she was even nominated for Simon Sabelo Awards for Best Newcomer in Film alongside Xolile Gumede, Zikhona Mkhize, and Ayanda Ngoma. In 2016, she landed her first role in a film called One Time Pin by KZN Films and Inbox Images. She later won the Best Actress in a TV Movie Award at the Rustenburg Film Festival in November 2021. Nothando is off the market as she is currently dating a supportive and encouraging unnamed boyfriend whom she always thanks for playing a vital role in her career. At this rate, cows are likely to come home soon for Nothando Ngcobo. On Uzalo, Hlelo represents a broken soul who moved from the harsh conditions of the streets to a victim of domestic abuse. Despite struggling to make ends meet, Hlelo showed resilience till she helped dying Gabisile role played by Baby Tele, who returned the favor by changing Hlelo's life forever. Before she bagged the Uzalo gig, Hlelo auditioned for Generations The Legacy as a supporting cast member and was rejected by the show producers because she did not fit the character. The role was later filled by Buntu Peze, who plays the role of Nontle Majola, the biological daughter of Ayanda Majola and Tau Mohale. Describing the rejection ordeal, Nothando revealed that due to rejection, she nearly gave up acting despite it being what she wanted to do since childhood. In real life, Nothando Ngcobo is closer to and receives mentorship from award-winning actor Abdul Khoza, who played roles on The Wife, Isibaya, Uzalo, and Kings of Joburg.